Hello! Happy Wednesday! Ito yung aking breakfast. Ano ng time ngayon? It's exactly 10. Ito, breakfast ko pa ito. Nag-harvest kasi sila ng avocado. So yummy. Yum 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 yum. Shout out dyan, Ate Lay, salamat. Sir Flip, Sir North, Sir NYC, Sir Kuya Gibbs, at sa lahat. Sumusuporta, Sir Black Knight, Mustang. Salamat ng marami. Breakfast tayo.